Chapter 1. The Indian Subcontinent and History Questions and Answers. 1. Answer the following in one sentence. 1. What is history? Answer. History is a coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. 2. Where do human settlements flourish? Answer. Human settlements have flourished wherever the means of living are plentiful. 3. What do the people in the hilly region depend on for their food? Answer. In the hilly regions, people depend more on hunting and gathering for their food. 4. Which was the earliest civilization in India? Answer. The Harappan civilization was the earliest civilization in India. 2. Answer the following questions in short. 1. What does human life depend on? Answer. Human life in any region depends to a large extent on its geographical characteristics, diet, clothing, housing and occupation. 2. What features of our surroundings form the means of our livelihood? Answer. The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna of the region where we live form the source or means of our livelihood. 3. Which region is known as the Indian subcontinent? Answer. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India together form the region known as South Asia. Considering the expanse and significance of India in this region, it is also known as the Indian subcontinent. 3. Give reasons. There is a close relation between history and geography. Answer. Time, place, society and individuals are four major pillars without which history cannot be written. Of these four components, place is related to geography or geographical conditions. This makes history and geography inseparable, i.e., very closely related. Though people are forced to leave their settlements. Answer. Sometimes reasons like degradation of the environment, drought, invasion, etc. leads to scarcity of means. Therefore, people are forced to leave their settlements in their fight for survival. 4. Explain the difference in the human life in the hilly regions and that on the plains. 1. Human life was very strenuous. 2. Land was not fertile. Therefore no sow agriculture was carried on. 3. Grains and vegetables are scarce. 4. They depend on hunting and gathering for their food. Human life in the plains. 1. Life was more comfortable. Though land was very fertile, so agriculture was carried on. 3. Grains and vegetables are found in plenty. 4. They do not depend on hunting and gathering for their food. 5. Observe the physical map of India and answer the questions based on it. 1. Which mountain ranges lie in the north of India? Answer. The Hindu Kush and the Himalayan mountain ranges. 2. Which are the routes to India from the northeast? Answer. The route to India from the northeast is by sea. 3. Where do the Ganga and Brahmaputra meet? Answer. The Ganga and Brahmaputra meet in Bangladesh. 4. Name the islands to the east of the Indian peninsula. Answer. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the Indian islands to the east of the Indian peninsula. 5. In which part of India do we see the Thar Desert? Answer. We see the Thar Desert in the northwestern part.